Okay, find the value of minus 295 into minus 66 plus minus 295 into minus 34. Okay, now how to solve solution. See, as I told you yesterday only, the plus sign or the minus sign is the addition or subtraction only separate the number of terms. Okay, so don't think this is your subtraction. Okay, this minus 295 into minus 6. Okay, minus 66 is an integer. Minus 66 is an integer. Minus 295 is integer. Minus 295 is an integer. Minus 34 is an integer. Okay, it's not like it's not a subtraction. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, so there is only one addition and this is the one addition. Okay, so because of this addition sign, before this is the one term and after this is the second term. Okay, so first term and the second term, what is the common integer here? Yeah,
295.
295.
Minus 295.
Minus 295 as common integer, as a common part. Then what left in first integer? Minus 66 left. Plus is just a plus. So it's already taken out minus 295. Now what left after that?
Minus 34.
Okay, so minus 34 right like that. Okay. Then give bracket. Okay. Or you can also give this in the bracket to differentiate them. Okay. Now minus 295. Now minus 66 and plus minus 34. Okay, so minus 295 into minus 104 minus 100. Okay, so this and this will multiply. So minus into
29500.
right in multiplication form.
Yes.
29,500. 500.
5 to the power up to 0. Okay, so this will be answer. Okay, and number 2 65129 minus 5129. Again, where is the subtraction sign? Subtraction sign is here only. Okay, this is what negative 65129. Okay, so don't be confused between subtraction and between the negative integer. Okay, so again, before subtraction, this is the one term, and after subtraction, this is the second term. Okay, so between them, what is the common number or integer?
60,129.
Okay.
Minus plus all of them is minus 1.
Okay. Now what is left here? 99. Okay, minus is there. Minus. Okay. And again, minus 1. Okay.
Not that one is minus and one is plus.
So in next step, I'm going to do plus. Okay. 65129 and here 99. Minus became plus. Minus became plus 1. Okay. So 65129 into 100. Okay. So can you read now? Just see phone number here only. Minus 70 into first, okay, so inside this bracket there are lots of sums. Okay, so first simplify these sums. Okay, and the right is minus 70 as it is. Okay, now simplify them. Okay, first add the positive. Okay, just write the positive integer first with together, then write the negative integer together. Okay, you will easy then. Okay, now minus 17 into, now this plus this is how much? 117 minus this plus this is how much? 47. Okay, now minus 17 into, so this in this minus this is how much? 7 minus 0. Now 17. Okay, now you have to multiply them. So minus into plus, minus, now 7 7 is 49, and here 1 0 and here 1 0. So 49. This one. Number minus 445 plus 3 is equal to 350 plus. Okay, so see, here the question says verify and also name the property used. Means what? This sum means, say this sum is equal to this sum or not. Means what? This is equal to sign. So before equal to sign, is this value, if the sum of this value is equal with the sum of this value or not. Okay, if the sum of this value is equal to the sum of this value same, in that case it will be what? Verified. Okay, so before equal to value and after equal to value, we have to solve the sum and we have to find the answer. Okay, if the both side the value is the answer are same, that is it will be verified. And also we have to write the name of the property. So directly we can say this is a commutative property.
Commutative property.
Okay, so directly just write here commutative property first. Commutative
Property.
Now we have to verify. So just write minus 445 plus 315. 15 this plus into minus 445. So this became how much? 5 minus 5 0, 4 1, 4 minus 1 3, and 4 minus 3 1 1. Okay, so
Minus 100.
And this side also same. So both sides the value are same.
Sir.
So you can write hence. Number 2. Into minus 12 is equal to minus 12 into 7. Okay. Again, this is which property?
Commutative.
Okay. Now you have to verify. So 17 into minus 12 is equal to minus 12 into 7. So 204. This side also 204. Okay. So both sides answer are same. The values are same. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. 3 no. $64 plus minus 40 plus 16 is equal to 64 plus 40 plus 16. Okay, now again, this is which property?
So this
Associative property, not distributive property. In distributive property, there will be always multiplication. Remember, associative. Okay. Now, see. Okay, same thing. 64. This plus minus 14. Okay. Plus 16 is equal to 64 plus. What? Minus 40 plus 16. Okay. Now this is how much? 24. Okay. Plus 16 is equal to 64 plus this is also, this became minus 24. Okay. So this became how much? 40 and this became also 40. So 64 plus minus 24. 40 is equal to 4 minus 4 0. Minus 2. So 44 both are equal value. Hence,
Verified.
now follow. 20 into 5 into minus 16 is equal to 20 into 5 into minus 16. Okay. So here, what is the name of the property?
associative property.
Distributive property.
Distributive or associative? Huh?
Associative.
So in distributive property now, this outer integer will multiply to the sum of the interior or interior integer. Okay, means what? Inside the bracket there should be plus sign or minus sign. Okay, and this sum should be multiplied with the outer integer. Okay, but for the associative property, all the numbers either outside or to the inside, all the numbers should be either positive or negative. Okay, or also all the numbers should be multiplied to themselves. Okay, so this is your associative property. Okay, now how to solve? See, same. Yeah, 20 into this is plus 5, this is minus 16. So plus into minus 16 5 is 18, and here 25 is 100 into minus 16. So this become what? Minus, both are multiplied, 2 8 is 16, double 0, and here also 16 double. Both are same value. So simply the meaning of additive inverse is what? The opposite sign of any number is called as additive inverse. Okay, the opposite, or just write the negative, not opposite, just write the negative sign of any number or integer. Just write integer. Okay, any integers, the negative sign of any integers are called as additive inverse. Additive inverse. For example, what is the additive inverse of 8? Okay, so what is the additive inverse of 8 answer? AI means A stands for additive, I stands for inverse. So additive inverse of 8 is equal to minus 8. Okay, means we have to add the negative sign with any number. Okay, now, okay, so you understood this now. Now question number 4. Okay, so now question number 4. Name the additive inverse of. Name the additive inverse of. Name the additive inverse of number 1, 15. Okay, so what is the additive inverse of 15? So your answer should be what?
Minus 15.
A stands for additive, I stands for inverse. Additive inverse of 15, just write 15 in the bracket. Okay, is equal to minus 15. Number 2, minus 23. So additive inverse of minus 23 will be equal to minus 23. Okay, so whether you have the negative integer or the positive integer, we have to add minus sign, or we have to multiply minus sign with the given integer. Okay, so this became what? Plus 23. Okay, understood? Now 0. So what is the additive inverse of 0?
0.
It's 0 only. Why? Because we know that 0 is neither
Positive integer nor
positive
negative.
nor
Negative.
integer.
Negative.
Understood now? How? Verify and also name the property. Okay. So see, I will start from 5 number. Okay. Because 1, 2, 3, 4 are very easy. So just see some complicated question first. Okay. So number 5. So 18 into 100 plus minus 5. 100 plus minus 5 is equal to 18 into 100 plus 18 into minus 5. Okay, So this is your question. Okay. So at very first, tell me what is the name of this property?
The distributive property of addition.
Of course, this is the distributive property. Now verify means what? See, after equal to this is the left side, and after before equal to this is the left side, and after equal to this is the right side. Okay. So left side we have sum has given, and right side also sum has given. Okay. So we have to calculate this sum to the both side, left side and the right side, both side. Okay. And after calculating all the sums, at the end when you will get the same answer for the left side and for the right side as well, same answer. In that case, the given equation will be verified. Okay. Now check. Okay, so this is what 18 into this plus this. Okay, so this 100 plus minus minus, so 100 plus minus minus. Okay, is equal to 100 into 18 into 100 is what 1800, and this plus into minus became what minus, and 18 5 are 90, or 18 into this minus this is how much 95 is equal to, now this minus this is how much this. Okay. Now multiply this 18 into 95 is how much? Just do it here. Same 1710. So both sides the value are same. 1710 and 1710. Yeah. So you can write hence verified. Still they are not writing their section name, and they are asking to assign. If you will not write your section, then how I will know you are in which section and in which room I have to assign. This is the simple common sense.
Sir, I had internet problem, so I came late. What are we doing?
So we are doing some questions from exercise 1. This is 5 minutes. Okay. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Yes, no. People are quite always, huh?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now 6 number. Minus 20 into minus 3 plus 9 is equal to minus 20. Oh, it will not fit over there. Right, little small, so I can adjust. Minus 20 into minus 3 plus 9, minus 3 plus 9, bracket close. This is the extra bracket. This bracket is not is equal to minus 20 into minus 3 plus minus 20 into 9. Okay, so same thing, solution. So tell me what is the name of the property?
Distributive property.
Distributive property over
Multiplication.
Addition.
addition. Hey Baba, addition is not multiplication. Now again, before equal to and after equal to, there are some sum. Okay, we have to calculate the sum, and we have to get the answer. Okay, both sides the answer are equal. In that case, it will be verified. Okay, so first go to the left side. So this will be how much? Minus 20 into so minus 3 plus 9 is what? 6 only is equal to here. Minus into minus what? Plus. So plus 2 3 just 6 means 60, and plus here it will be what? Minus 180. Okay, or just this multiply. So 2 6 is 12 means what? Minus 120 is equal to 60 plus minus minus became 180, or minus 120 is equal to minus 120. Hence verified. Any doubt?
sir.
It's an easy question, okay? And remaining question 1, 2, 3, 4 is your homework, okay?
Sir, once you can again explain.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
And who is this Sasik? Okay, who is asking?
Yes, sir.
Huh? I'll tell your name now.
Sir, yes, Vardhan.
Yes, for them. What is your problem? Yes, for them.
6 number.
Your voice is not only audible, yeah.
Sir, 6 number.
6 I'm going to do now.
Sir, 5 number.
Oh, see, 5 ka 6. This you don't understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see. First, the name of the property is a distributive property. This you understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see here minus 20 into C. First, we have to calculate the sum which is inside the bracket. Okay, so here inside the smaller bracket there is the single number, so we don't need to calculate. Okay, now go to the mid bracket. So in the mid bracket there are 2 integers, means 2 numbers. So we have to calculate this first. So minus 3 plus 9 is how much?
Sir,
Minus 3 plus 9 is how much? Minus 3 plus 9 is how much? 6 only.
6.
And that's why I wrote 6 here. And after equal to this, minus into minus became plus. So 20
Yes.
into 3 is what? 16. So plus 16.
16.
And if you want to write plus 60, it's also fine. Okay, so here plus. Now minus 20 into 9. So minus into plus became what? Minus. 20 into 9 became what? Minus 120. Yeah. Okay. Now see, minus 20 into 6 is how much? So again minus into plus. Minus. 20 into 6 is what? Minus 120. Okay. Now plus 60 can we write as 60 also? Okay. Now this plus into minus became minus.
Yes.
180. Again here minus 120 as it is equal to, now 60 minus 180 is how much? See, one is a positive integer and another is a negative integer. In that case there will be always subtraction. So subtract 180 minus 60, it became 120. Now between 60 and 120, which number is greater? Obviously 120 is the greater number. So this greater number have the negative sign, that's why 120 have also the negative sign. So both sides minus 120 minus 120. So both sides have the equal value, that's why it's verified. Now 6 numbers. Find the product using suitable properties. Find the product using suitable properties. So in this question number 6, we don't need to write the property name, but still if you will write, it's better. But if you don't want to write, it's also fine. It's not necessary to write. Okay, the question says that you have to solve this value. We have to find the product of this given question by using the suitable properties. Okay. So see here, what kind of property we can use here, or how we can solve this question. Okay. Don't do direct multiplication like 48 into 105. Okay. So that everyone knows. Okay. But this question given here, why? To solve in different way. Okay. To solve in different way. How to solve in different way? By using the properties. Okay, so we have learned 4 properties. Okay, so this property is suitable for this question. In that property we have to use. Okay, so see here, minus 48. Okay, if we will write this 105 as 100 plus 5. Okay, now this became which property? If I will write minus 48 into 100, this plus again minus 48 into 5. Now tell me which?
The distributive.
Distributive property. So minus 4800 plus minus became minus. Now 48 into 5. Okay. So here minus both are negative integers, so we can add them. So this is a distributive property. Understood? Now see, whenever you will see the value like 105, okay, so we can break this 105 in 100 plus 5. Okay, so the calculation of 100 plus 5 is more easy. Okay, we can break this 48 also like 40 plus 8 or 50 minus 2. Okay, but 100 to break in 100 and to break in 40 and 50, which one is easy? This 100 one is easy. Okay, because the multiplication of 100 is more easier than the other number. Like 28 into 100, direct we can say 2800. 50 into 100, direct we can say 5000. But 40 into something other number, it's quite that much not easy to multiply. Okay, that's why we have to choose to break the value in 100 terms. Okay, now see in question number 2, 62 into 199. Again, tell me which part is easy to break.
99.
199.
100 plus 99.
Not
100 plus
Just
99.
take the nearest value. Okay, 200 minus 1 is more easy than 100 plus 99.
200 minus 1.
Okay. Now 62 into 200 minus 62 into 1. Which property?
Distributive.
Distributive property. This is again distributive. Now number 3, see. 115 into minus 98. Now break it. Okay, minus 98. Just break and tell me the
100
begin time.
minus 2.
Minus 100 plus 2.
50
Okay.
plus
100 minus 2 is 98. Now this is minus 98. Now, so we have to use the common sense also. Okay. This became minus 100 plus 150. Okay, so this became what? Minus 1115 plus. Again, this is what? This two. Understood? Any doubt?
Sir.
Now say phone number.
Sir, can you show it again?
Take 25 into minus 204. Okay? So, how to solve? Again, break it and tell me. Tell.
200 plus 4.
You people are very big in
Minus
calculation.
200.
Minus 200.
Minus 200.
Minus 200 then?
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
I'm just sitting here. I got
Okay, so this into minus 200. Minus. Then 325 into 4. Okay?
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be
So again, this is your
in the great outdoors forever.
all are distributive property. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now 7 number, fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks. Number 1
Sometimes you need to go
minus 63
and take a step
plus
back
dash
to see
is equal to minus 63. Number 2 14 plus dash is equal to 0. 117 into dash is equal to 120. Number 4 dash divide minus 25 is equal to
in the great
0.
outdoors.
So everyone just be ready. Okay, I can ask to anyone for this answer. Okay,
You and me
so are you ready?
meant to be
Okay, so let me see your faces.
in the great
So very first, I would like to ask from Madhav.
forever free.
Yes, sir.
Madhav, number 1, fast.
Sir, 0.
0, correct. Now
63 plus
Tanya Agrawal,
Yes, sir.
tell the answer of this 2 number.
So number 2
Yeah,
is minus 14.
minus 14. Now this Krishna's, yeah, tell Krishna, Samantha. For 3 number. You're taking too much time. Just do fast now. No, he left.
Sir, 0.
Wrong. Yes, Vardhan, tell the answer of this.
Sir, 1.
One only. Now Arav, very well. Very well.
0.
0. Correct. Now this Sonali. Oh, 5 number.
729.
That's correct. Okay. So any doubt to anyone?
No, sir.
Now next. Next is state whether the statement is true or false. State whether the statement is true or false. Okay. So number 1. The smallest positive integer is 1. Number 2, the identity element for addition. The identity element for addition. In integers. Integers is 1. Number 3, the additive inverse of 0 is 0 is a number itself. So the two integers are multiplied. Multiplied, the product is also negative. So this is your question, yeah? Okay, so now, yeah. Okay. So, number 1, the smallest positive integer is 1.
True.
The smallest positive number is the smallest positive integer is 1. True or false?
Yes, sir.
The identity element for addition in integer is 1.
False.
The additive inverse of 0 is the number itself.
True.
When two negative integers are multiplied, the product is also negative. This sum. So 14 minus 3 is what? 11. 11 minus 8 is equal to 14 minus 5. Okay, so this is how much? 3. 14 plus 5.
19.
So is it true?
False.
False.